Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll use the natural qualities of the breath to inhale inspiration and let go on the out-breath. Find an easy seat in a quiet location. Let your spine gently lengthen. Soften your shoulders and rest your arms and hands comfortably. Let your face relax. Soften your lips, your jaw, your eyes, and your forehead. And as you settle in, set the intention of staying alert and relaxed at the same time. Now, turn your attention to your breath. Without changing or manipulating your breath, observe the length of your inhales and exhales. Notice your breath's temperature. Observe its texture, its depth. And for the next few moments, stay open and curious about your breath, welcoming the sensations as you effortlessly breathe in and out. And now, very gently, begin to progressively lengthen your inhales and exhales. As you deepen your in-breath, notice the natural qualities that are present. As you elongate your out-breath, notice its qualities. Observe the space of your inhales, the expansion. Feel the soft, sweet exhale, the release. And for the next few moments, use your exhales to help you let go. Let go of your commitments, your worries, your judgments. Let go of old habits, emotions, or thoughts that just don't serve you anymore. And now, return to your breath flowing in and out freely. Let your breath guide you and hold you. Space on the inhale. Sweetness on the exhale. creating space and possibility with each in-breath. Letting go, softening with each out-breath. And with the next few breaths, call in what inspires you. As you breathe in, invite the qualities or gifts you'd like to build in your life. Use each inhale as a source of inspiration, building compassion, love, patience, kindness, or whatever else you'd like to grow in your life. Now gently soften your attention. In French, the word for an inhale literally translates as inspiration. For an exhale, it is expiration. And what a beautiful way to think of our breath. Each cycle an opportunity to encourage what inspires us and release what doesn't. When we turn towards the natural qualities of our breath, we notice that every time our body exhales, it spontaneously lets out the stale air that doesn't serve us. So why not use that as a way to consciously let expire old habits, thought patterns, distractions, and worries that weigh us down? And the more we let go of what's no longer useful, the more room we make for a new wave of fresh air to enter on the inhale. As we breathe in, we can lean into what inspires us. We can plant the seeds we want to tend to, new ways of seeing an old situation, a fresh perspective, the qualities we want to flourish. Now, gently call yourself back into the space around you. Notice the sounds in the room. Begin to gently wiggle your extremities. And slowly open your eyes. Let your breath inspire you today. Let it free you from what's become stale. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.